As darkness descends, a remarkable creature takes to the skies, emerging from their hidden roosts to fill the night with their silent, graceful flight. Bats, the only mammals capable of true flight, have long captivated our imagination with their mysterious and often misunderstood nature. These nocturnal navigators are shrouded in an aura of mystery, often misunderstood and feared, yet they play crucial roles in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Yet, bats are essential to the health of our planet, playing vital roles in ecosystems worldwide. They pollinate flowers, disperse seeds, and control insect populations, making them indispensable to both natural and agricultural environments. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of bats, exploring their unique adaptations, ecological significance, and the challenges they face in an ever-changing world. Bats inhabit nearly every corner of the globe, from tropical rainforests to arid deserts, showcasing their incredible adaptability and resilience. Their diversity is astounding, with over 1,400 species identified, each uniquely adapted to its environment, from the tiny bumblebee bat to the large flying fox. Some bats are tiny, measuring just a few centimeters in length, while others boast wingspans exceeding 1 meter, illustrating the vast range of sizes and shapes within the bat family. Despite their varied appearances, all bats share a common ancestor, highlighting the remarkable evolutionary journey of these flying mammals. Their story is one of survival, adaptation, and incredible diversity. The secret to bat flight lies in their remarkable wings, which are uniquely adapted for their nocturnal lifestyle. Unlike birds, whose wings are feathered forelimbs, bat wings are formed by a thin membrane of skin stretched between elongated finger bones, creating a structure that is both strong and flexible. This flexible membrane, known as the patagium, provides lift and maneuverability, allowing bats to execute intricate aerial maneuvers with ease and precision. Bats are incredibly agile flyers, capable of hovering, darting, and even flying backward, showcasing their extraordinary control in the air. Their keen senses further enhance their aerial prowess, making them formidable hunters of the night. While most bats have relatively poor eyesight, they are masters of echolocation, a skill that compensates for their visual limitations. This remarkable ability allows bats to see in the dark by emitting high-pitched sounds and interpreting the echoes that bounce back from objects in their environment, creating a detailed sonic map. Echolocation enables bats to navigate complex terrains, hunt prey, and avoid obstacles with astonishing precision, making them one of nature's most efficient nocturnal predators. The dietary preferences of bats are as diverse as the bats themselves. Many bat species are insectivores, consuming vast quantities of insects each night. These insect-eating bats play a crucial role in regulating insect populations, benefiting both natural ecosystems and human agriculture. Other bats have developed a taste for fruit, nectar, or pollen. Fruit bats, with their large eyes and keen sense of smell, are important seed dispersers, playing a vital role in forest regeneration. Nectar-feeding bats, with their long tongues and ability to hover, act as pollinators for a variety of plants, including agave, the source of tequila. The dietary diversity of bats underscores their importance in maintaining healthy and balanced ecosystems. Bats are often overlooked as keystone species, yet their ecological contributions are vast and far-reaching. As insectivores, they provide natural pest control, reducing the need for harmful pesticides. Their consumption of insects saves farmers billions of dollars annually and protects our food crops from damage. Fruit bats, as seed dispersers, help maintain plant diversity and ensure the regeneration of forests. Nectar-feeding bats contribute to the pollination of numerous plant species, many of which hold economic or cultural significance. Bats also play a role in nutrient cycling, with their guano or droppings serving as a rich fertilizer. The ecological roles of bats are essential for the health of our planet and the well-being of countless other species, including humans. Section 5. White Nose Syndrome, a deadly threat. In recent decades, bats have faced unprecedented threats, with disease emerging as a significant concern. White nose syndrome, a fungal disease that affects hibernating bats, has decimated bat populations in North America. The fungus, Pseudogymnoascus destructans, thrives in cold, humid environments, such as caves and mines where bats hibernate. Infected bats exhibit unusual behavior, including flying during the day and clustering near cave entrances. The fungus disrupts the bat's hibernation cycle, depleting their energy reserves and leading to death. White nose syndrome has had a devastating impact on bat populations, with millions of bats lost since the disease was first detected in 2006. Section 6. Habitat loss. A growing concern. While disease poses a significant threat to bats, habitat loss remains a pressing issue. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion are destroying vital bat roosting and foraging areas. As forests disappear, so too do the trees that provide roosting sites for many bat species. Caves, another important roosting habitat, are often disturbed or destroyed by human activities. The conversion of natural habitats to agricultural land reduces the availability of insect prey for insectivorous bats. Similarly, the loss of flowering plants impacts nectar-feeding bats. Habitat loss not only displaces bats, but also disrupts their ability to find food, rear their young, and survive. Section 7. Protecting our bats. Conservation efforts. Recognizing the importance of bats and the threats they face, conservationists and researchers are working tirelessly to protect these fascinating creatures. Efforts to combat white nose syndrome include researching the disease, developing treatments, and implementing decontamination protocols in affected caves. Habitat conservation and restoration are crucial for the long-term survival of bat populations. Protecting existing forests, restoring degraded habitats, and creating bat-friendly gardens are all important steps in providing bats with the resources they need to thrive. Public education and outreach are essential for dispelling myths and fostering appreciation for bats. By understanding the vital roles bats play, we can all contribute to their conservation. Section 8. Bats and humans. A complex relationship. The relationship between bats and humans is complex and often fraught with misunderstanding. Bats are fascinating creatures, yet they are frequently misunderstood and misrepresented in popular culture. Bats have long been associated with darkness, disease, and even supernatural beings. These associations have been perpetuated by myths and legends, often portraying bats as ominous creatures of the night. These negative perceptions have led to the persecution of bats in some cultures. Fear and misinformation have caused people to harm or destroy bat habitats, further endangering these important animals. However, it's essential to remember that bats are not inherently dangerous and pose little threat to humans. In reality, most bats are harmless and play crucial roles in our ecosystems. In fact, bats provide numerous benefits to humans. They are natural pest controllers, consuming vast quantities of insects that would otherwise damage crops and spread diseases. Their role in insect control saves us billions of dollars annually in crop losses and reduces the need for pesticides, which can have harmful effects on human health and the environment. This natural pest control is invaluable to farmers and gardeners alike. Bats also contribute to the pollination of crops and the production of goods like tequila. Many plants rely on bats for pollination, which helps maintain biodiversity and supports agricultural industries. Understanding the benefits bats provide can help shift our perspective from fear to appreciation. By learning more about these incredible creatures, we can foster a more harmonious relationship between bats and humans, ensuring their conservation for future generations. Section 9. The importance of bat conservation. Conserving bats is not just about protecting a single species. It's about safeguarding the health of entire ecosystems and their biodiversity. Bats are integral components of food webs, playing crucial roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and insect control. Their decline has cascading effects on the environment, impacting plant diversity, insect populations, and even human agriculture. Protecting bats means protecting the delicate balance of nature and its intricate relationships. By conserving their habitats, mitigating threats from disease, and promoting responsible interactions with bats, we can ensure that these fascinating creatures continue to thrive for generations to come. Section 10. A future for bats. Our shared responsibility. The future of bats rests in our hands. As human activities continue to impact the planet, it's our responsibility to ensure the well-being of all creatures, including bats. By understanding the ecological and economic importance of bats, we can advocate for their protection and support conservation efforts. Educating ourselves and others about bats, dispelling myths, and promoting coexistence are crucial steps in securing a brighter future for these remarkable creatures. Let us embrace our role as stewards of the planet and work together to ensure that bats continue to grace our skies for generations to come.